Viper 6-1, check in. Flight 2-1 Zulu Cobras, time on station. 2-5 Mike's, holding at Angels 2, northwest. Holding area Irene, armed with 8 Hellfires, 4 tows, 1,800 rounds between us. Ready for your work, over. Dash 2 off safe. Calling in. Guns, guns, guns. Guns, guns, guns.
July, this is 3-2 Echo. We are in sector. Gunner up. Standing with thermals. Range. At the floor. MSR. Copy over. Roger. Wet map place. 1-5. Higher 8. Target surrounded by multiple personnel carrying small arms. Enter working in a residential area. With PH over.
Goddamn eat up with enemy down there. I'm taking fire. I'm taking hits all over our farm. 3 o'clock my position. Drawn fire. I'm drawing heavy fire. Mayday, mayday. I'm going in. The tail rotor's out. I got